Hey guys, I was sent this sports bra and actually one in black too. I'm going to show you both. I love them. I love the longer length on it so that I can pair it with a high-waisted skirt. Now I did two different sizes with this. I'm a size 8, I'm 5'8". I did an extra large in the white just because anything white I automatically size up. And then I did a large in the black. Both of them fit me great. Either way fits great. The material is so nice. It's good and stretchy too, so I have a lot of extra space. If you want it to be more fitted, I would say size down. Otherwise, it's like just a perfect, really comfortable fit. Plus, it has padding in there, but if you don't want the padding, you can always remove it. So there is a little hole there, and then you can always just take that padding out if you don't want the padding. So nice removable padding. There's an inner lining here which has the sports bra, so it does keep everything nice and fitted. So if you're going for like a run or something like that, you're gonna be good to go because it's definitely a nice sports bra for that. So I love that longer length. The colors are awesome. I think you're just gonna absolutely love this cute, adorable, amazing sports bra. And I almost forgot, this is like one of the best parts. It comes with a stretchy band, so you get a little bonus band too. And these are great for like working out your arms. You can put it on your legs and like do that to give yourself a workout that way. So each sports bra comes with one of these, a little bonus. So that's pretty cool too. I think you're just gonna love this entire sports bra plus workout band.